So, back again with another turbo. This time I've gone for the TS Systems hybrid unit, which apparently is a lot better than any local hybrid turbo. And I guess it should be really at £740. Now, the turbo that I've originally got on the car now is a 530D turbo, which was turned into a hybrid using a bigger compressor wheel. Even though it runs well after some modifications to the software for the actuator, it boosts well. I've got it up to 270 bhp, but I still feel it's a little bit laggy, hence why I've gone for this one. The reason why I feel it's laggy is because I'm using a 530D turbo on a 2.5 177 brake horsepower engine. Well, which was originally 177 brake horsepower. So that turbo will be sold to someone who already has a 530D. I think it will be more suited to a 530D because it is originally for that car. Hence why I have gone for this rather lovely unit. I'm going to use a bit of light here. Is that better? Yeah. Let's check it out. I mean, the quality of these is something else. I mean, lots of people are using them now. TS Systems. Takes about 3 weeks to arrive. Looks well machined in there. Looks like decent quality. So look through here. I think that is a lot bigger as well. The exhaust outlet wheel. Certainly looks well built to me. They just need tightening a little bit. So I'm expecting about, well, I'm at 270 brake horsepower with the current hybrid. So I'm hoping I'd be happy if we got it to about 330. If it goes to about 330 brake horsepower, I'll be a happy man. As long as it gives me a bit more get up and go, I'll be happy with that. So let's looks like they even provided me with a gasket of some sort, which looks like a paper one though. I won't be using that one. I think I'll order a original BMW one. So order a gasket, and I think I might as well order a new pipe as well. Unless the original pipe is going to be alright. I think the original pipe should be okay. I'm just going to flush it out. So that's where we're at the minute. So yeah, hopefully this weekend I'll start fitting it, get it fitted, do a couple of data runs for the tuner, who's now on holiday, but I'm patient enough to wait for him anyway, so everyone deserves a holiday. So yeah, so that's the next plan. Get it fitted, make sure it's all primed up properly, and do a couple of runs using Testo, and then send that data off to the tuner to make his necessary adjustments. So I'll leave it there, and I'll see you on the next one.